Come on over. I want to talk to you today about the top 10 credit cards that offer credit scores all year long. All FICOs are welcome. Low credit, no credit, fair credit, poor credit, good credit. Everybody's welcome. I want you to stick around till the end of today's conversation. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweet Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you're all doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to share with you the top 10 credit cards that offer free credit scores all year long. And again, you don't have to have excellent credit. Even if you have bad credit, they will accept you. They will welcome you. They will approve you. And the bottom line here is that you want to actually have access to your credit score all year long. And this is so important, folks. Think about it. Think about having a credit card that allows you to monitor your credit score all year long. That way you will know a lot of stuff going on your credit card, right? And based on our research, there are many reasons why you want to check your credit score regularly. That's the key word here, regularly. But we've actually pinpointed 7 key reasons for checking your credit score regularly. Number 1, you got to know where you stand, right? No surprises. You want to know where you stand, because the last thing you want is you're getting ready to apply for a large amount, a large loan, let's say a mortgage or a car loan, and then you realize that you were thinking that you had a FICO of 675, and then it just turns out that you have a FICO of 575. Nobody wants that. This kind of bad surprises, nobody wants that. So you want to know where you stand ASAP. And if you have access to your credit score regularly, you have a whole overview. You have a full synopsis of your credit score. And the second reason is you can actually keep your credit in good shape. Think about it. If you can monitor your credit all year long, you have the ability to actually to spot issues, to spot stains, to spot blemishes, such as collections, such as you can dispute things. All right, so you can keep your credit in good shape. The third thing is you can make sure your credit information is accurate. Accuracy is very important. Accuracy is critical. Again, this could help you lose or gain thousands of dollars on your APR. If you have bad credit, you might be paying a higher, not even might, you would be paying a higher APR than if you had stellar credit. And another thing is, if you can check your credit score regularly, you will not be surprised at the outcome of your applications, because you know already. And you can get insight into what actions hurt and help your credit score, right? This is very important. Also, if you have access to your credit score regularly, you can respond to changes quickly, because checking your credit score regularly informs you of changes to your credit score much sooner. If your credit score falls, let's say the score drops by 20 points or 30 points, you can use the information in your credit report to figure out exactly what might have caused the change. Then you can actually take steps to recover the credit score points you lost. It's very important. We all hear in politics and business, everywhere, that information is power. Yes, you bet it is. Information is power. And if you have access to information, particularly in your credit report, you have the ability, again, to make changes quickly, to respond, to be adaptive, to be resilient. Okay, very important. And the last reason why you want to check your credit score regularly is that you know when you might qualify for better credit card offers and even loan offers. Because as your credit score improves, you have a better chance of being approved for credit cards and loans with better interest rates, rewards, or other perks. Or you can use a strong credit score and a better credit card offer as a bargaining chip to request that your current credit card issuers lower your interest rate, right? Think about it. Let's say you have a Capital One MasterCard that is currently charging you 20%, and they've been charging you 20% for the last 3 years, where your score was at 575. And today your score is at 750. Well, you better call them right now. You want to call them right now so they know that you're no longer the borrower that they met 3 years ago. Now you have a better credit score, and then they better give you a better APR. Otherwise, you go into a competition. Okay, so it's a bargaining chip. It allows you to go to negotiate things better. If your credit card issuer will not agree to lower your rates, consider applying for a 0% balance transfer credit card. A better credit score will improve your chances of qualifying. Before I get into the nitty gritty, folks, please check out our short credit card evaluation approach video. It shows you our methodology when it comes to reviewing, assessing, and categorizing credit cards on this show. Check this out. All right, let's get into the ranking here. So, number 10, when it comes to the top 10 credit cards that offer free credit scores all year long, number 10 we have Chase. Our score 8.5 over 10. Chase offers its cardholders their Vintage Score 3.0 credit score, and this is provided directly from the credit bureau's websites. Okay, so we're not talking here about the FICO, but we have the Vantage score, because when we speak about credit scores, we have two main types of credit scores, right? We have the Vantage score and we have the FICO. So the scores, when it comes to Chase, the scores are available for free to Chase cardholders, and you simply need to log into your Chase account and click on a link on the right side of your statement that says Know Your Credit Score. Check it free. So Chase is really great for monitoring your Vantage Score 3.0 credit score all year long. Number 9, we have the Walmart credit card. Our score 8.5 over 10. So Walmart credit card offers a monthly FICO score for cardholders who enroll in electronic statements. So make sure when you have a Walmart credit card that you enroll in electronic statements. If you have paper statements, you're not going to qualify for the free credit score monitoring service. Okay. Walmart credit cards also provide the top 2 reason codes affecting the score. So if your score is dropping or increasing, they'll give you the 2 main reasons why this is happening. Think about it. This is fantastic intelligence. This is fantastic financial intelligence to help you improve your credit score and your financial situation as a whole, right? And what we love here is that with the Walmart, the credit monitoring service is available at no cost and will not impact your credit score. In other words, it will not pull your own credit. Okay, so we have here a soft inquiry, not a hard inquiry. Very important. So Walmart credit card is best for receiving your FICO score via monthly electronic credit card statements. Okay, again, I want to repeat this. If you want to take advantage of the Walmart credit card credit monitoring system, you need to switch from paper statements, if you haven't already, to electronic statements. It can be via your computer, your tablets, or your app. It's okay, but it has to be electronic. Number 8, folks, we have US Bank. Our score 8.5 over 10. US Bank offers its cardholders with the credit score as provided by Experian, directly from the Experian website. So when you have a US Bank credit card, what they do is they link your credit card directly to the Experian credit score. And this is a service that is called Credit Manager Plus. So if you have a US Bank credit card, you want to log into your account and you want to look into the right of your account. It has to be the right or the left. It depends upon what kind of a card you have. But the service is called Credit Manager Plus. And the scores are available for free to US Bank cardholders. And you simply need to log into your US Bank account and click on a link on the right side of the statement. And so US Bank in our analysis is best for checking your Experian score online. You can see that every card offers you they don't offer you the whole 9 yards. They only offer you one portion, right? So you have Chase that offers you the Vantage Score 3.0 credit score. Then you have the Walmart that offers you the Experian credit score. And then here we have now US Bank that offers you also the Experian credit score. Okay. Number 7, we have USAA Bank. Our score 9 over 10. So as of late 2015, USAA started offering members, not just credit card holders, access to their free credit score. So every member of USAA will qualify for it. And the credit check and ID monitor solution from USAA comes in different levels. So the solution I'm speaking about is called credit check and ID monitor solution. Okay, but it comes in different flavors and different levels. So the basic level, credit check 1, offers daily credit monitoring through Experian, updates and alerts about changes in your credit score, and access to your credit score and historical scores. The credit score provided at this level is the Experian Vantage score. At the PID levels, either the $7.95 per month or the $12.95 per month, depending on the level, customers can access additional benefits like twice monthly credit score checks, reports from the other credit reporting bureaus, and identity protection alerts. So the USAA Bank is great for daily credit monitoring through Experian, plus updates and alerts for your Vantage Score 3.0. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are still having a conversation today about the top 10 credit cards that offer free credit scores all year long. Isn't that wonderful? That's just fantastic, right? You get in your credit score, you have a constant monitoring of your credit score. That's really great. And at number 6, we have the First Bank Card. Our score 9 over 10. So First Bank Card through a First National Bank offers FICO scores to its cardholders, and you can view it online. So with First Bank Card, you don't have access to your Experian Vantage score, but you only have FICO scores. Okay, and First Bank Card offers they use actually the FICO 8 Bank Card score, which is a score the bank purchases monthly to keep track of customers' creditworthiness. Like other credit score providers on our list today, First Bank Card also provides you with the main factors that determine your score. So this is pretty cool. So you're having what I call a multi-level analysis here. So they give you not only the score, but you also have the reasons behind the score, right? So same thing, you find the same thing at Walmart, the same thing at US Bank and USAA Bank. So First Bank Card is best for checking your FICO score online and learning the main factors that affect it. Number 5, folks, we have Commerce Bank. Our score 9 over 10. Commerce Bank customers can now access their FICO scores on their monthly credit card statements. The score is automatically reported on each statement and includes a list of score factors and options for improving your score. In addition, based on our analysis, we've seen that customers can see how their current score might impact interest rates and other credit terms. This is a great thing that only Commerce Bank does at the moment. In other words, they do a simulation. They do a what if scenario, right? Based on where your credit score is going, either heading up or heading down. You can see a simulation of the credit terms and the APRs and the other fees that you can expect. So Commerce Bank is best for receiving your FICO score on your monthly credit card statements, plus a list of factors that affect it and tips for improving your credit score. Number 4, folks, we have Barclay Card. Our score 9.5 over 10. So Barclay Card provide FICO scores to its cardholder customers on its website. Okay, and that score is based on your TransUnion file, not Experian, not Equifax, your TransUnion file. And Barclay Card also provides email. They provide email alerts. That's pretty good. So what they do is that they send you an email that lets you know when your score changes. And the alerts lists the 2 main factors that have caused the score change. The service also provides a historical chart that tracks the movements in your score once you have a 3-month history in the program. There is no charge for this service and no attempts to upsell you into other programs. And the email alerts, historical tracking, and the fact that Barclay card provides you with your actual FICO score are major advantages with this program. And many other free credit score sources, whether they are provided by credit card issuers or other sources, give you a parallel score instead of the actual FICO that is used by most banks for lending and mortgage purposes. So Barclay Card is best for accessing your FICO score on Barclay's website, monitoring your score via email alert, and tracking movements in your score. Number three, folks, we have Credit One Bank Visa with free credit score access. Our score, 9.5 over 10. This is a great card also. This card gives you the ability to view your Experian credit score and credit report summary online and at no additional cost to you. What's even better, the card is available for those with poor credit. So that's mostly people who are either looking to rebuild their current credit or building from the ground up. Okay, so apart from access to your Experian credit score, the card also comes with the following list of benefits. So you can earn 1% cashback rewards on eligible purchases. You can automatically earn more than cashback rewards using the card at participant merchants. You have zero fraud liability for unauthorized charges. You have regular account reviews for credit line increases, and you can make purchases. Securely using Apple Pay. So this is pretty cool. And the only thing we have with this card is they charge. I think all other cards charge also, but this card has an annual fee that ranges from $0. In other words, it's free to $99 based on your credit worthiness. Okay, and the first year fee will be immediately charged against your credit limits. So this is something you need to be aware of. Number two. Sorry, number two. We have Capital One. Our score 10 over 10. And Capital One provides a non-FICO score, which they call Credit Wise. And this is a score that is calculated based on the TransUnion Vantage Score 3.0 model. And customers can, of course, access their scores through the system, but now so can non-Capital One customers. And CreditWise is available online and through a mobile phone app, so you can actually sign up for the app even if you're not a customer, and the score will actually remain free. Okay, it's called CreditWise, and the service offers the following features. So you have Credit Simulator, Credit Alerts, Grade Overview. Those are the three things that you have with the Capital One. So the Credit Simulator estimates how future credit behavior could impact your credit tracker score. For example, you can determine how a 30-day late payment on a mortgage might affect your score, or going 12 months without one. It can also help you find the best way to improve your credit score by estimating the impact of positive behaviors like making payments on time or paying off credit card debt. Okay, so this is really good. And we also love the credit alert, so you can receive alerts for factors that affect your score, including a new inquiry, recently opened account, delinquent account, improved account, or bankrupt account. The alerts go out when your TransUnion credit report changes. And what about Great Overview? This feature enables you to see the major factors that are affecting your credit score. Okay. Number one, folks, when it comes to the best credit card that offers free credit score monitoring all year long, American Express. Actually, a credit card issuer, not just a credit card issuer, American Express. So you have, for example, if you have a car like a Blue, our score is 10 over 10, of course, 10 over 10. And if I give you an example, you have a card such as the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express, one of their popular cards. And this is a card that actually not only allows you to see your credit score all the time, but it also gives you a whole constellation of benefits. You can get a 250 statement credit after you spend $1,000 in purchases on your new car within the first 3 months. You earn 6% cash back at U.S. supermarkets. You earn 6% cash back on select U.S. streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and others. It's pretty good, right? You can earn 3% cash back at U.S. gas stations, 1% cash back on other purchases, and you can get a 0% APR for 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. Okay, of course there is a $95 annual fee, but the pros far outweigh the cons, including the fact that you can have access to your credit score in real time. Thank you so much, folks, for your attention today. I really appreciate it. I really do. And I want to thank you for also all your comments, all your nice words. We really appreciate it. We read everything. We answer every comment. Really appreciate it. And just to quickly recap today's conversation, I was talking to you about the top 10 credit cards that offer credit scores all year long. All FICOs are welcome. So, number one, American Express, 10 over 10. Number two, Capital One, 10 over 10. Number three, Credit One Bank Visa with free credit score access, 9.5 over 10. Number four, we have Barclay Card, 9.5 over 10. Number five, we have Commerce Bank, 9 over 10. Number six, we have First Bank Card, 9 over 10 rather. Number seven, we have USAA Bank, 9 over 10. Number eight, we have US Bank, 8.5 over 10. Number nine, we have Walmart Credit Card, 8.5 over 10. And number 10, we have Chase, 8.5 over 10. One thing I want to say before even closing here, I didn't really close here, but one thing I wanted to say before closing is that these are the 10 major credit card issuers currently offering free credit scores to their customers. And I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if more credit card companies jump on board, as this is now becoming a standard issue benefit in the credit card world. At any rate, many of these companies offer great credit cards that are worth having anyway. So if you need to keep track of your FICO score, consider doing it for a free card, using a card from any of these companies. So we're showing you on the screen right now. You can see right now the recap of today's conversation. American Express, what is best for, Capital One, Credit One, Barclay Card, Commerce Bank, First Bank Card, USA Bank, okay, US Bank, Walmart, and Chase. And you have what they're best for, what each card issuer is best for. Thank you so much for your attention, folks. I really appreciate it. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.